Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we are going to be working on section 1 of the routine Come Alive for an advanced level. So, let's begin. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we are going to be starting with the right leg first. With the right leg, we have a brush toe heel like so, toe tap behind with the left toe, heel with the right, a dig with the left, and then a pick up dig with the right. Perfect. Altogether, those steps will sound like this. We then repeat these steps on the left leg. So we have brush toe heel, toe tap behind with the right toe, heel with the left, a dig with the right, and then a pick up dig with the left. Perfect. Altogether, those steps will sound like this. Perfect. We then have a brush toe heel with the right leg to the right diagonal, then another brush toe with the right, followed by a heel with the left leg and then a heel with the right leg. So altogether those steps were we then repeat these steps on the left leg towards the left diagonal, like so. Perfect! And finally, we have the single time steps with a single break, starting with the right leg first, like so. Perfect. That's all of section 1. Let's now piece together all the steps that we've learnt. So, standing in parallel with our knee slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. Perfect. So there you have it, section 1 for the routine Come Alive.